What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I don't remember if I've filmed an intro or not, but per usual, I'm filming this at the end. So in this video, you will be seeing my dad and I cutting the floor. Here is evidence of the new floor, and that you can't see the welder's in the way, but behind the welder is a new floor pan. Welding up some pieces. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't remember exactly what I'm doing in this video. It's been a while since I started it, so either this video includes me cutting the driver's side stuff and then switching back to like the seat area, or this is me welding floor pans in, or pieces in. So yeah, if I do the latter, then it's just welding in some floor, and then you'll see some footage of it. What else? Let's see. I was gonna just do one video of just that seat area that I was gonna weld, and that was it. And then I just kind of rolled with it. My dad was here, and we were just kind of continuing on with the rear seat. So it's hot. It's summer, so this is all you're gonna get. Enjoy. Course, as I was fitting everything up and trying to cut a little bit more of the floor, I needed to move the pan out because it was stuck and it sliced my finger. So that's how this has all been going. Yeah, I marked, I don't know exactly what you can see. Yeah. So here, kind of where this section is, I had to trim a little bit more just to get to sit. I think I just need to cut a little bit more here. And then if you can see here, probably right where this marker is, that should be enough to clear the original pan. And then I'm just gonna go slowly, bit by bit, piece by piece. I don't want to cut too much. We're using metal shears. This makes it a lot easier, a lot smoother. It's not sharp edges like with the cutoff wheel and stuff like that. This just gets us really close, and then I can probably just, I don't know, sand it or grind it to wherever I need to. But yeah, that's how this is going. So let's continue on.
Brett Dickey, we're on a real steep grade here, buddy. We just slowly go back to normal. They don't even know. I'm pretty confident it's going to see 1000. It's got electric diffusers. Is that my imagination? Yeah, so well, you managed to put it all on there. How did it perform?
Yeah, look, downside of every stories, yeah, when the wind hits it, so it doesn't matter. So, yeah, 3 turns in, I thought we were going to end up in the trees there because the wind pushed it full lane. So, lucky for that. So, yeah, we just wanted to get to the end and start summit, but we're happy we're here.
Okay,
Get a
so
little quicker every time. We hope we'll see a little quicker next year.
That's the plan.
okay, let me try to lift this up on one side while I'll show y'all. So you can kind of see the gap. I still need to do a little bit more trimming, but kind of right after that ledge, can't even use my pointer finger, kind of right through here, You might be able to see just right there. Yeah, it's not much of a difference. Here I gotta cut a little bit more, as you can see. Maybe just, yeah, so here the gap's not great but not bad. Here, right there is actually pretty bad. And I gotta trim a little bit more up here, just a little bit. And then here is where I gotta figure out, because I want to keep this just for a reference point. I'm not gonna use the original seats, but maybe if my seat and the I forget what you call it, like the sliders or whatever, could bolt up to that, that'd be great. If not, also cool, but I just want to keep that as a reference point. I don't know, maybe I can use it for something eventually. Maybe the harness, like the 5 or 6 point harness. But yeah, so this is what it's currently looking like. Trying to get it to fit. I need to get clamps now that I'm realizing I need something to hold it on this side. But yeah, I'm slowly working this back edge to kind of just sit in, and then I'll work on the tunnel side. This front side should be fine. I think I just need to grind it or sand it down if I need it. But yeah. Okay, after a lot of trimming and shimming, I got the back mostly set in place. As you can see, spot welds for the focus. They're kind of lined up where they used to. This one needs to slide up. You can kind of see the hole just a slight bit more. The back side needs to be grinded down or cut maybe like 1/4 of an inch. But I don't want to cut too much. As you can see, I already have a little bit too much gap in a couple of places. But basically it'd be like here to here. That's kind of sitting nice. I trimmed this back section so I can keep most of the tunnel. And if you can see, there's a little bit of gap, and then I started cutting this edge because there is a brace that runs across. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's kind of right there. But yeah, so I think once I shimmy, or I guess cut this or grind it down a little bit, it should slide back into the slot, and then I can just kind of grind the tunnel. As you can see, there's not much overlap there, but here, this is definitely too much of a gap. So I'll have to figure either use some of the scrap curls from the metal shears and kind of just place Well, I'm back. As you can see, I did what I did. I'm about to start welding a little bit right now, but I'm not gonna record it. To be honest, I might take a little hiatus from making videos until it's cooler, and or I do something more interesting than cut and weld, because you've probably seen I can't weld. What else? Let's see. I did that. Blew some holes to the floor. Sweated a lot. Cut myself. Pretty. You didn't see that, but I cut myself. Yeah, I don't know when the next video is gonna drop. This one should hopefully drop pretty soon. When after I record it, this is why I'm actually recording it. Yeah, I don't know. I might take a break because it's too hot. It's really hot in the summers here, and either I work late or wake up early and get what I can done before it's too sunny and hot and humid. And for those in Texas, they already know. But yeah, so thanks for watching. If you have any tips for welding, I greatly appreciate it. And here's my dog chewing on my chair. Say bye.